Hello, I'm Dr. LuLu Shemek, and I will be your guide for this meditation for the thyroid gland. Welcome to this relaxing meditation, visualizing a fountain for healing. Breathing is the most important thing we do, yet we tend to forget about it and never consciously breathe the best we are able to. Let's begin by taking 3 nice, big, deep breaths. Paying attention to your belly and lungs, expanding when you do 1 fully in, and exhale, letting your body relax. 2, breathe deeply and let any worrisome thoughts just fade away. 3, filling your body with as much oxygen as you can, and let the air escape from your body, relaxing even further. Good. Now allow your mind to drift and wander to the thought of a small, ornate, hand-built fountain. This is the fountain of relaxation. It is built in a way that the water level is waist high and easy for you to access. Maybe there is a sculpture that the water comes out from, splashing down into the basin. Perhaps the water just shoots up and out of the water in a beautiful way. Have you ever seen this fountain? Picture it vividly in as much detail as you can. You notice the water is crystal clear, but it also seems to glow with golden light. Touch your hand to the side of the fountain and feel the way it is built and how sturdy it is. Now dip your fingers into the golden water and you feel a profound relaxation it gives you in your fingers. Dip your entire hand in this healing water. The pleasure that this water brings you is so wonderful that you must have more. So gather some in your right hand and splash it onto your left forearm. Gather some more and cover your upper arm and shoulder with this water. The moisture on your skin is glistening in the sunlight, similar to how diamonds reflect light. Do the same with your left hand, cupping the water and soaking your right arm with it and right shoulder. This water is not only extremely soothing, but its appearance is so stunning. Cup both hands together now and gather some of this glowing substance in your hands, gathering as much as you can, watching it slip through your fingers a little and spilling over the edges of your hands. And this time, bring the water to your mouth for a drink. The water touches your lips and is so sublime. The water is heavenly. It nourishes you. It relaxes you. It slowly moves down your throat, lightening and brightening and energizing your thyroid. You see your thyroid filled with this beautiful light. Take another handful and drink some more. Gather one more handful and splash it on your face. The water seems to wash away all the worries you've ever carried in your facial expression, your throat, your jaw, letting your whole face, throat, and arms relax. Notice how you feel. Really nice, isn't it? And just relax somewhere near this fountain, feeling completely free and clear and open-minded. Allow for yourself to experience any special messages that you've been needing to hear as you gently and kindly open to anything you feel or hear. Just relax and breathe, feeling your throat center, your thyroid, just relaxing and opening and receiving. And any messages that might come your way, just allow them in. Gently and with gratitude. Whenever you are ready, take another nice deep breath and become fully aware of the present moment, ready to take on the rest of your day with confidence.